Hello 12th standard students, welcome back to chapter 1, applications of matrices and determinants. Today in exercise 1.8, choose the correct answer. We are going to see sum number 3. They are given A equal to a matrix and B equal to adjoint A and C equal to 3A as a relation. Then find determinant of adjoint B by determinant C. Okay, so for that first we will take and write A. What is our A? 3, 5, 1 and 2. For this adjoint A, how will you find adjoint A? You will just interchange these two elements. 2 comes up and 3 comes down. And for these two, you have to change your sign. This is going to be our adjoint A. Okay. This is actually equal to B. This is our first step. Okay. Then for this B, this is B. Okay. Then what is asked in the problem for us? Adjoint B is asked. So for B, now I'll write B. What is our B? 2 minus 5 minus 1 and 3. Okay. For this you are going to find adjoint B. Again you are going to interchange both these. So 3 comes up, 2 comes down, and changing the sign you will get plus 5 and plus 1. If it is minus it becomes plus, if it is plus it becomes minus. Okay, this is going to be adjoint B. And next you have to find from this determinant of adjoint B. Okay, so taking determinant 3, 5, 1, 2. Expanding, you get 3 2s are 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1. Okay, therefore determinant of adjoint B is 1. So this is the numerator. This is 1. You keep it as 1. Now we'll come to C. For C, what they have given? C equal to 3 into A. So 3 into what is our A? 3, 5, 1 and 2. Okay, so when you multiply, what will be your answer? 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now we can find out what is given, and still it's not over. We have got only C, and in the question they have asked determinant C. So what is determinant C? So taking determinant 9, 15, 3 and 6 will give you as 54 minus 45, that is equal to 9. Now this is 2. Okay, now we can consolidate our sum. So therefore determinant of adjoint B by adjoint C is going to be 1 by 9. Therefore 1 by 9 is our answer. Where is 1 by 9? Therefore 2 is our answer for 3. Okay, next we'll go to sum number 4. If A equal to A into a matrix is equal to another matrix, you can write this as AB equal to C. Then what is A? So this A alone you want. So whenever a matrix go to the right hand side, how will you get it as A equal to C into B inverse? So for the given, this is going to be our B, isn't it? Therefore what is our B? B equal to 1 minus 2, 1, 4. For that you are going to find out B inverse equal to 1 by determinant B into adjoint B is our formula. So determinant B, what is our determinant B? 1 minus 2, 1, 4. Expanding, you will get 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6. Okay, that is equal to 6. Okay, then you are going to find out adjoint B. What is adjoint B? Cross multiplying, 4 comes up, 1 comes down, and for minus 2 becomes plus 2 and 1 becomes plus 1 becomes minus 1. This is going to be adjoint B. Therefore B inverse equal to 1 by 6 into 4, 2 minus 1 and 1. Okay, now what is our A? A equal to C into B inverse, that is equal to, what is our C? 6, 0, 0, 6 into 1 by 6. What is our B inverse? 4, 2 minus 1 and 1. Okay, so now from this you can take a 6 out, and this 6 comes out. This will be 1, 0, 0, 1 into 4, 2 minus 1 and 1. The 6 and 6 get cancelled. This is actually our I2. This is our B inverse. Anything into I2 will give you the same matrix. So 4, 2 minus 1, 1 is our answer. Where is 4, 2 minus 1? Therefore 3 is our answer. So you take 3, 4, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. So with these two sums, so you have to work out like this. Even though it is a 1 mark, you have to work out and find out the answer. Okay, so it will take a little bit time. So only we ask you to do first your 5 mark sum, then 3 marks and 2 marks, and then come to 1 mark, because this is going to carry only 1 mark. The same sum, when you get it for 5 marks, you will get 5 marks. So These you can do at the last 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Okay. I hope this both sums are easy and you understood it clearly. Thank you.